This glow mask is going viral for a reason. Straight pores, smooth texture, and leaves your skin baby soft with just 3 kitchen ingredients. Hello beauties, you're welcome back to my channel. We are all about glowing from inside out. To make this rice mask, first you'll need 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Rice flour is amazing for your skin. It gently exfoliates, helps fade dark spots, and brightens dull, tired skin. It's like a natural microdermabrasion but way cheaper. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial, so it helps calm breakouts, hydrates your skin, and gives it that dewy glow. Now for our final ingredient, we are going to use 3 teaspoons of milk. Milk contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates, softens your skin, and helps unclog pores. If you want a thicker mask, you can use yogurt instead of milk. Mix everything until it turns into a creamy paste just like this. Apply it to clean skin. Leave it on for 15 minutes and rinse by massaging gently in circles. I love using this 2 to 3 times a week when my skin needs a reset. If you want more easy glow up recipes like this, hit subscribe and comment what skin concern you want me to try next.